Hello, Doginal family. This video is an informative guide about Doggy Market. First, we navigate to the Doggy Market website. Then, we click the Open Wallet button located in the top right corner. If you already have a Doginal wallet, click Import Wallet and enter your wallet recovery phrases in the designated field. After that, click the Import Wallet button. If you don't have a Doginal wallet yet, don't worry. You can create one in seconds by clicking the Create Wallet button. After clicking Create Wallet, set up a password to ensure your security. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Show Secrets. This will give you access to your wallet recovery phrases. Remember to copy and securely store these phrases. Your Doginal wallet is now ready. Owning a Doginal wallet is that simple. After creating your wallet, you can start using it by copying your wallet address and transferring Dogecoin into it from any exchange or another Doginal wallet. Now, let's talk about sending Doge through Doggy Market. Open your wallet and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then, select the Send Doge option. On the screen that appears, enter the amount of Doge you want to send in the Amount field and the wallet address you want to send Doge to in the To field. Finally, click the Send button. It's that simple. We enter Doggy Market and navigate to the Collections section, where NFTs are listed. The NFTs here are sorted based on their daily trading volume. To view all NFT projects, you can click the Show Collections button. If you already know the name of the NFT project you want to purchase, you can use the search bar at the top to directly find it by typing the project name. Next, select the NFT you want to buy and click the Buy button, followed by the Confirm button, to complete your purchase. Remember, you'll need to wait for network confirmation for the NFT to appear in your wallet. If you want to sell or transfer the NFT you purchased to another wallet, start by clicking on your wallet and selecting the NFT. To sell it, click the List button and assign a value to your NFT. After clicking the Confirm button, your NFT will be ready for sale. If you want to transfer your NFT to another wallet, click the arrow button located beneath your NFT. Enter the wallet address you want to send your NFT to, and then simply click the Confirm button. Now it's time to purchase DRC20 tokens. Navigate to the DRC20 section on Doggy Market. Here, the tokens are sorted by their daily trading volume. To view all available tokens, click the Show All DRC20 Tokens button. If you already know the name of the token you want to purchase, you can use the search bar at the top to find it easily by typing the token's name. In this section, you'll see the token's unit price in the top left corner, its equivalent in dollars in the top right corner, and in the bottom left corner, the total number of tokens you're buying along with their total value. To purchase, click the Buy button and then the Confirm button. Don't forget to wait for network confirmation for the tokens to appear in your wallet. Finally, let's see how to sell a token or transfer it to another wallet. Start by clicking on your wallet and selecting the token you want to sell. Click on the List button, then enter the value for a single token in the Price field. In the Amount field, input the number of tokens you wish to sell. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the total amount of Doge you'll receive. Be sure to double-check this information. Once everything is correct, click the Confirm button and your token will be ready for sale. If you want to transfer this token to another wallet, open your wallet and select the token you wish to send. Then, click the Send button. Enter the amount of tokens in the Amount field and the recipient's wallet address in the To field. After verifying the details, click the Send button.